What's good with y'all, man? Alright, so we looking at GU right now. Originally, I was thinking we was gonna come up here and sweep this, and I was gonna target this area, cause I knew we were coming down here. But we never came up to sweep this. So once we take this level, I'm gonna anticipate a retracement back to equilibrium of this range. And this the 50% mark. We got this buy side level right here. We got London buy side up there. And these two areas are really nice on the 15-minute, especially this one. And we got an inverse, 1 hour inverse right there. So that's what I'm looking at right now. The next sell side level after this is here. And I do think we come and take this, but I don't think that's gonna be today. But we could sweep this and then come up here. I don't think we just continue all the way through this, all the way down. I think we have a retracement after this because it's previous day's low. But I am bearish overall. But once we sweep this, I think we're going to retrace and probably retest this inverse and then continue down to take out this sell side level. Alright, so we actually ended up coming hella close, like less than a pip away. That's about half of a pip away from this sell side level, previous day low. And then we just started pushing back up. We just took out these relative equal highs. And I still think we're coming down here, but now I'm a little more hesitant because look at how strong this move up was. It's strong as hell, bro, just full of imbalances. I honestly think we probably gonna come up here before we push back down and take this out. I think this is setting up something for even later in the day. We might take this during news at 10 o'clock. Cause there's no reason we should come down this close and not just take it. We gotta be setting something up, man. Especially with this strong ass move back to the upside. I can't take any shorts. Even if I got a setup right here, I can't take shorts after this. Cause there's no way we have this strong ass move up and then we just gonna run these imbalances back to the downside to take this out. It doesn't make sense. It makes zero sense. So I honestly think we're gonna slowly creep. We might go straight back up here, but I think we're gonna creep up here slowly. Maybe take out these highs right here, but I think we're gonna slowly creep back up and try and generate some more sell side. Create some more lows on the way up here and then take this out. We starting to push down now. We closed through this fair value gap. Let me see something real quick. I want to see if this is equilibrium. Yeah, we closed through that and we closed in here. Another thing that I want to note is that this is equilibrium. This was the equilibrium level, and we also tapped into this 1 hour inverse. And this is really exactly what I anticipated to come down here. It's just the fact that we pushed up so hard. But I was so confident in this draw. That's why it's really fucking with my head right now, what's going on. And I want to take a short pretty bad. I'm starting to feel like I'm just overthinking this shit. Cause now it's looking like we want to sell off. Pretty heavily too. I gotta see how the 5-minute close. If the 5-minute closes like down here, if we close below this one too, hold up. Yeah, I gotta see how this 5-minute closes. I don't want it to reject this area. No, I'm not taking this shit, bro. I'm not. I don't even give a fuck if it ends up hitting my target. I'm not taking this. Cause why the hell did we push up so hard? Fuck that. And news is in 15 minutes on top of that, bro. I'm still gonna watch it because I'm very interested. But while we at it, look at BitTensor, man. Look at this shit. I got in at 150 and now we at 456 at the moment. Let me go back to GU though. See, look, it's finna tap into this 3-minute. But look at how this rejected. So if I stayed on the 3-minute, I would have got in right here just now. Been like, oh shit, I just got my entry. Stop right here. First TP at this low, or at this fair value gap. And second one there. Like, oh, this shit looks good. We got a buy side sweep, displacement, fair value gap. But if you just come and look at the 5-minute, look at this shit. Look at how this shit rejected. Now, by all means, we could come down and take out this level right here. We could come down and take out previous day low, and I think we should. I really think we should. And it's more likely that we do it now than during Asian and some other shit. But the fact that we have news in 15 minutes and the fact that we had this strong ass push up, it just doesn't make sense. It's not adding up. Something's not right. I don't know what's going on. Something just doesn't seem right to me. So I'm finna just let this shit do its thing, honestly. It can leave me if it wants. I don't care. I'm not trying to risk no money on this shit. Only thing about this shit is I don't know exactly where I'm finna take profits, bro, because it's a long-term project I got faith in. Like, I'm talking about the next year or so. I'm finna hold into the bull run at least, because that shit is just now starting. The bull run is just now starting, in my opinion. So, see right here, my first take profit for real is 1,000, but I don't know if I'm gonna hold that long, bro. We're just gonna see how this shit play out. If this shit plays out how I think it will, I'm gonna have a lot of capital for trading, bro. That's why I just need to focus on having good habits and shit like that. Doing what I need to do. Within the next 2 years, I want to have a year of profitability. I want to be able to say I've been profitable for a year by 2026. To me, there's just no reason for us to push this hard up to the upside. Because if we were going to come this close to sell side and then have a strong ass move up without taking it and then close above these highs and filling this fair value gap, if we were going to do that, why the hell would we push back down to take out the sell side level right after? It doesn't make sense to me, bro. And I would have got stopped out. So I'm very glad I didn't do that shit because I was so close, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. I was so close to just getting in that motherfucker. Damn, look at this shit, bro. It's just moving like a motherfucker. 462. God damn. I remember when I seen this coming down like right here, and I wanted to add some more, but I didn't. I would have had to take some money out of my Forex account, but yeah, I got a lot of faith in this project. Like, I had no fear when we came down like this, because everything really following Bitcoin at the same time. So when Bitcoin gonna retrace like this after it takes out a major high, everything else probably gonna retrace a little bit. Man, I'm so glad I didn't get into that trade, bro. Y'all don't even understand how much I was questioning myself. Always trust your first mind, bro. If you doubt anything, bro, just trust your first mind. And what I'm noticing is a lot of the times when we get a push down like this and we break structure, and I be scaling down to the 4, 3, 2, and 1, and I see another setup on, like, let's say the 3-minute, and I get in, I usually do that because I'll be thinking the 5 minute might run without me, but usually the 5 minute will form a fair value gap and we'll tap in to the 5 minute one too. Now sometimes the risk to reward ratio is a little bit worse, sometimes it's better. But oftentimes if I just wait and watch what the 5 minute does, it'll give me even more confirmation. Like right here, if I wouldn't have waited, right here this shit looks decent. Besides all of this right here, this little model looks decent. This push down and then the fair value gap, it looks alright. But on the 5 minute, it does not look good, bro. Just because of this candle right here. See, look, this is not good action. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. We get a strong push up, then we get a strong push down. Breaking structure to the downside, creating a bearish fair value gap, invalidating this one and this one. Closing in here. Then we get a strong push up, invalidating this bearish fair value gap. And now we're getting a strong push down. Like, this shit is terrible action. Once I see what news does, I'm getting off. News might push it down straight to here, though. I don't know what the fuck news gonna do, bro. I have no idea. We either gonna take out London buy side or we gonna take out PDL. No, I'm finna post this shit. I already know what I'm finna title it. Why being disciplined is very important as a trader. Some stupid shit like that. That's what I'm finna title this shit. And so all the niggas who say, actually, never mind. I ain't even gonna. Look, if my thumbnails is ass, bro, trust me, I don't care. If my titles is ass, trust me, I don't care. If my videos are unedited, trust me, I don't care. I did ask y'all if y'all like the edited versions or the unedited, and I got 2 different answers. Only 2 people commented. I got 2 different answers. So I'm finna mix that shit up. But also, y'all gotta understand, bro, I'm trying to become a trader. I ain't gonna lie, I started doing this YouTube shit just to journal my trades, bro. I was just trying to journal my trades. And all of a sudden, I started fucking with it. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna do this as a hobby. This is not my passion, though, for real. YouTube is not my passion, bro. I truly don't give a fuck about it. But it could be a potential source of income in the future. So I'm still gonna take it a little serious. I'm still gonna put a little effort into it, but it's not a priority. So I'm not about to spend a couple hours editing videos, and I'm not good at editing videos either. It takes me mad long, bro. Like, I be condensing 3 hours into like 30 minutes or 20 minutes, which don't sound like that much, but I truly don't know how to edit that well. So it takes me like fucking 2 or 3 hours to edit. I don't have time to sit here and edit for 2 or 3 hours, bro. I got other shit to do. I still box. I still go to the gym. There we go. I still box. I still go to the gym. I still have to go to work. I still have to back test and trade and shit and study the charts. I don't got time to do all that shit, bro. This would have held up well if my stop loss was above this liquidity sweep, knowing that this is a likely area. But now we understand why we did this. And honestly, why we had this strong push up too. It kind of makes sense now. We created relative equal lows. And then we had a strong push up. Why? Well, relative equal lows is an area of support for retail traders. So this is going to give us more liquidity when we do decide to come and take it out. Right? Why did we push up so strongly to take out this buy side level? Well, first off, we were rebalancing price into a 1 hour inversion fair value gap. We were taking out buy side, which on the 15-minute was a smooth ass area in the 15-minute fair value gap. Right? So we're getting liquidity. And on top of that, we had a strong move up because when we push back down, we have all these fair value gaps that we can run through, where only buy side was being offered. So now we can fill hella sell orders on the way down and get way more orders in. That's how I interpret this situation. And for some reason, when you're in the moment, it's hard to think like this, but as soon as that shit's over with, you can see it clearly. But that's my interpretation of what just happened and why it happened. But discipline is very important because, again, I would have lost if I had my stop where it was. If I put it up here, I would have been fine. But either way, it's still a gamble because I didn't have enough conviction. But the fact that news was coming out, now I have an additional experience. Now I know, okay, news is coming. We know we want to go here. We created relative equal lows. We just swept buy side. We tapped into an inverse, a higher time frame inverse, and a higher time frame regular fair value gap. So it's very likely that news is gonna come down and take this out. You know what I'm saying? Now I got that knowledge in my head for the next time I go into a trading day where something similar happens. I'm not saying I'm gonna trade news, cause I'm probably still not gonna trade news, but I'm more experienced. You feel me? So yeah, man, y'all gotta stay disciplined. My past self would have took that trade and would have lost, and then would have saw this move down to take out my target, and I would have been pissed as fuck the whole day. I probably would put my head down right on this desk, mad as shit, just contemplating why the fuck did I do that. And now I move on with my life. To be honest, I don't be too mad about losing. I'll be mad. I'll be mad as hell when it first happens, but then after like an hour, I'll be chilling. Like, but yeah, man. Short ass video. This probably gonna be like a 5-minute video, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys.